Hey people, yesterday I watched this Telugu film along with my child called Major, and I wish my child also gets up and gives me the review along with while I'm doing the review. So the thing is, this film Major is, since it's based on the real life terror attack that took place on November 26, 2008. It is, from the very start of the film, one knows that Major Unni Krishnan loses his life in that attack, right? So that itself kind of sets the mood of the film. As the audience, one is very. It's a film that I think if you are that patriotic kind of person, you simply have to watch, because it chronicles the journey of Major Unni Krishnan, who was a major in the army, and he was part of the NSG, which is National Security Guard. And but that's what. Except that there were certain violent scenes, and Ayush, you would want to contribute to the.
It gave me nightmares.
Okay.
And it also like
Violent scenes, right?
yeah. I feel bad for the service dog inside it because that was not spared.
Yes, I mean it was, but full marks to the entire star cast as such. No, if you were to take a child for this film, the kid might almost get traumatized, because it is in the film also there is the scene of like a child being rescued, but basically her like it's a foreigner child, it's a whatever, it's a American child, European child. So I mean, despite everything, I think the star cast, the performances are stellar. Like right from the Advi Shesh, who's the protagonist, to Sai Manjrekar, his love interest, and who's the daughter of Mahesh Manjrekar, the director, and everyone. He's also, his name is Ashish Kuruvalla, I think. So he's also seen. He's actually a theatre actor, but Anish Kuruvalla and Revati, Prakash Raj, Shobita Dhulipala, and Murli Sharma. So truly, people, this is a film you have to watch if you really want to kind of soak in that spirit of people who give their all to the nation. So in that sense, hats off to the Ghatamneni, to Amrita Suresh and Mahesh Babu for giving us this film, because it is a film that from the Telugu Cinema, it's one of the most patriotic films I've seen, after a film by Shekhar Kamulla, that was Leader. After that, I find this film to be of very high caliber. So it's already a 3-minute video. So
I give 4 out of 10.
okay, actually my child was a bit scared of all. There was a lot of action and a lot of violence also seen. It was about a terror attack, right? So, but truly, people, of the many different Telugu films, this is one film that you should watch. On that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.